stand my ground, I stay right here. The road is long, the climb is steep, but what I carry runs more deep. Old fears knock loud upon the door, echoes from a time before. I do not turn, I do not fall. The inner flame outlasts them all. I move forward, steady and true. Nothing can break what sees me through. Each step taken calm and clear. The soul is endless, always here. Resistance fades when faced with light. The finite bends to inner might. What rises up will pass away, but what I am is here to stay. Victory lives in staying still, rooted deep in higher will. Not by force, not by fear, but by trust that draws me near. I move forward, steady and true. Nothing can break what sees me through. All obstacles dissolve in time. The eternal strength is always mine. Unshaken, grounded, I remain. Beyond the struggle, beyond